Greetings, Queens of Influence. This is Dr. Sheila Mughabudi, the founder of GentiShe Biodegradable Pad. GentiShe Biodegradable Pad is a 100% plant-based sanitary towel that we make from agri-waste and in particular banana stems. The banana stems that we source from the farmers in Zanin, we convert it into fiber and pulp that makes this amazing pad that actually composes after 35 days. My involvement with the Queens of Influence has actually impacted very positively on our business, because the exposure that we are getting from this very auspicious program that you are running, ladies, is actually very impactful. And however, while we are a private company that makes the sanitary towels, for us, this is not just a product. This is actually an economic emancipation for women out there. And to actually make sure that we are achieving all that, we have created what we call Spaza on Wheels. This is actually a franchise model that involves women-owned businesses, and 120 women will benefit from this as stockists of GentiShe biodegradable pads. And this product will then be able to reach our ladies and girls in the villages and townships through our Spaza on Wheel approach. Thank you very much for being part of the Queens of Influence feature, and we strongly believe that this exposure that we're getting is not only going to end with GentiShe, but to empower many more queens and to be fixing the crowns without mentioning that they were once skewed. Thank you so much.